probably have the other two on the other side.
Oh, these. Oh, beautiful.
This is
so you have
Chief and Jimmy.
Chief and Jimmy. Wow, beautiful. And so they be pulling the carriage. Wow. How many horses you have total?
5.
5. Okay. Wow, beautiful.
Micah! Come on, baby. Where's Micah?
So how many acres? Did you sow this
is
property yet already? Or
no, we'll probably get moved first. There's our little black boy over here.
Wow. How much you bought this property for? A long time?
155.
155.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, that's cheap. 155.
Yeah. Well, we've done a lot of improvements.
Yeah. Wow.
Come on, Micah.
It's beautiful.
Come on, baby.
Wow, Susan.
Come on.
I can have. So
Micah, come on.
When you say you can move again in Montana?
When?
Yeah.
In well, end of May.
End of May. Okay, you have
Yeah.
some time to hire you still. Probably April and March. April is my birthday. April 6th. So I want to have a party.
Come here, you.
I learned from Susan. I'm glad that she has her big party in August, you know. And so.
This is our pretty boy.
Wow. He's so beautiful. How old is he?
7.
7. Wow.
You
So
got
beautiful.
yours.
And you have chicken and everything too.
Yep.
Wow.
Now let me
Beautiful.
introduce you to the other 2. Yeah.
Wow. And you have the chicken too. How many chicken you have?
How many chickens?
Yeah.
10.
10. Wow. And they lay egg and everything?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
This is a hot wire,
Okay.
so be careful.
Yeah.
Don't touch it. These are the 2 that'll probably pull a wagon.
You see, I had a local artist paint the flying lady.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. She paint on feather.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is Max and
Wow.
Baloo.
Wow. And you ride, these are not for riding, huh?
We ride them.
Wow.
I took those 2 to the coast
Wow.
Monday.
Wow.
In fact,
That's great.
a very good friend of mine who passed away, I took her ashes to the coast,
Oh.
and we took her for her last ride
Oh,
with the
wow.
horses. And,
Wow.
you know, put her ashes in the ocean.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Yep. There you go, guys.
And you know why? Now it's better to cremate by solar power. It's more natural and better
Yeah.
for the environment. Have you heard of it?
No.
Yeah.
Hey, quick. Get out.
Okay.
Chief.
See?
Hey,
Oh.
go on. Go on, fast. Get back.
Wow, that's what they...
And you, get back. Get back.
Wow.
Get back. So they'll be all cleaned up.
Yeah, so beautiful.
They're
So how
really
many-
dirty right now.
Yeah, how many horses it take to pull with the red one?
Minimum of 2.
Oh, 2, okay.
Yeah. We'll put 4 on it sometime.
Wow, beautiful.
Um,
I can't wait. Thank you so much.
you're
Making it so
welcome.
special for Susan. Wow.
We
Celebration.
gave you a really good rate. Too,
Yeah, I
'cause
really
know-
appreciate it. Yeah, I really
Because
appreciate it.
something like this would be about $1 grand.
I know. Thank
So-
you. I know. I really appreciate it. That's why I hop on it. I know. Because I hire carrots.